We've told you that it's really important to learn from experiences and figure out how those experiences contribute to your personal and professional development. While this is absolutely what you need to do, it's also really important that you see your employability in terms of your own narrative and not just as a series of isolated experiences. If you stick with thinking of your employability as being about individual experiences that generate a toolkit of skills and attributes, you won't be able to fully realise your employability. That is, you may have difficulty pulling it all together to sell to an employer. You create your employability narrative or brand as you study for your degree and develop through a range of experiences. Your personal employability story can then all come together as you approach graduation and start thinking about what you can offer an employer.
By deciding how you will pitch yourself to an employer, you are essentially using your narrative to create your employability marketing campaign. And as you move through your career, your employability story will change and grow as your experiences continue to contribute to your personal and professional development. So why does this matter? Well, the culmination of your experiences across all aspects of your life is what differentiates you from other graduates, which is what you'll have to do to get a job. Another aspect of realizing your employability is aligning it to the professional field you wish to enter. How have your experiences prepared you for the demands of that industry? How can you use the elements of your employability narrative to perform effectively in roles in that industry? Here's an example. Teamwork is a skill that employers expect of new graduates. You may have developed good teamworking skills from your involvement in sport. However, developing yourself personally and professionally is not just a one-off exercise. If you have been involved in sport, you should add what you have learned from working in a team, in that context, to your other experiences of teamwork, such as group assignments at university or working with others in a casual job. So you can see that a range of different experiences can culminate in the development of one skill and in your understanding of what that skill looks like in the workplace. And because you have developed teamwork skills from your own set of experiences, it may look quite different from someone else's concept of teamwork. For example, one individual's idea of teamwork may emphasize delegation, with individuals then working solo on the task allocated to them by the group. Whereas another's idea of teamwork might involve group decision-making and everyone working on the same tasks together. Both approaches should achieve the team goals. They're just a different way of doing things.
So, consider how your experiences have contributed to your overall employability. What makes you employable? What's your narrative? Your employability is not just a collection of individual experiences. It's not a jigsaw that falls neatly into place the same way for each person. It is up to you to develop your own employability brand from your narrative and use it to differentiate yourself from other graduates and to guide the way you perform in the workplace, both upon graduation and throughout your career.